Hello, today's topic of the video is nucleic acid and enzyme. So, nucleic acid, what is a nucleic acid? We know that nucleic acid involves DNA and RNA. Okay, DNA and RNA is made up of nucleotides. Okay, and nucleotides means the biopolymers made up of monomers. This is the nucleotide. So, this is the basic information of the nucleic acid. Okay, the main function of the nucleic acid is provide the genetic information, and hold the instruction made up to made a protein. Okay, this two main function of the nucleic acid. Okay, there are two main type of nucleic acid. First one DNA and RNA. DNA full form is denucleic acid, and second ribonucleic acid. Okay, element which are contain nucleic acid like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus. So these are five elements which are in nucleic acid. Then example of the nucleic acid, let's suppose protein are the biopolymers. Okay, proteins are the biopolymers, and these proteins are made up by the amino acid. In that way, similar nucleic acid is made up of nucleotides. So okay, that's clear. Okay, that is it. Main okay, proteins made up of amino acid. Similarly, nucleotides is made up of nucleic acid made up of nucleotides. So this is the examples. And then nucleotides made up of means in nucleotides the component we have to study. The components like nucleotides contain first one is phosphate, then sugar, then nitrogen base. Okay, so these are the components which are contained in nucleotides. So component of the nucleotide I have discussed. In that first one is sugar. Sugar is the first component of the nucleotide. The sugar we use 5 carbon sugar we use the 5 carbons means pentose. 5 means pentose sugar is used. Pentose sugar like a deoxyribose and ribose sugar. Okay, deoxyribose and ribose, there are one difference in the structure. Second number carbon atom contain hydrogen group, then this is called as a ribose, and second number carbon contain hydrogen group, then this is called as a deoxyribose. Okay, deoxyribose are more stable than the ribose sugar. Deoxy means releasing of the oxygen, so it is due to this it is more stable than the ribose. Then it is present in deoxyribose present in DNA, ribose present in RNA. So it is more stable, and ribose sugar is less stable, and so this is the sugar. Then for phosphate, okay, phosphate group are the second in nucleotides, second component in nucleotides. Phosphate group are also present in ATP, means adenosine triphosphate, which are present in also. Phosphate group contain 4 oxygen which contain negatively charged. Okay, okay, the polar molecules which are present highly ionized oxygen atom means it contain 4 polar molecules that contain highly ionized oxygen. Okay, atoms. So this is the phosphate. Then nitrogen base. Okay, nitrogen base, the molecule that contain nitrogen and act as a base, so it's called as a nitrogen base. Then organic compound like a carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. These are the organic compound, and these nitrogen are combined with these organic compounds such as carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and to form a ring-like structure. So this is a nitrogen-based structure. Okay, then there are two types of ring-like structure. First one single ring, and second number one double ring. Single ring is called pyrimidine, and double ring is called pyridine. Okay, pyrimidine means single ring, and purines means double ring. Okay, pyrimidine are smaller in size, and purines are larger in size. Okay, pyrimidine, the example is thymines, cytosines, and uracils. These are the example of the pyrimidine. Then example of the purines like adenine and joining are the example of the purines. So I have discussed sugar, phosphate, and nitrogen bases. Means these are the component of the nucleotides. Usual the structure means phosphate, sugar, and the nitrogen base are bind together to form a nucleotide. So how the nucleotides is formed? So I have already discussed component. These components are bind together. Bind together by the bond. So if the pyridine means single ring, which are pyrimidine ring, which are single ring, and which is a nitrogen base. Okay, these ring bind to the derived sugar, means sugar bind to the sugar by the glycosidic bonds. Glycosidic bond. This pyrimidine N1 is bind to the C1, so this is by the glycosidic bond. Okay, then purines ring means double ring, which are nitrogen base ring, which are bind to the sugar deoxyribose sugar by the glycosidic ring. We also bind to glycosidic ring. Glycosidic bond bind together, and in that N9 bond is bind to the C1. Then phosphate group are also bound to the sugar, means deoxyribose sugar. So I have taken example deoxyribose sugar. This CO2 in that CO2 group are bind to the phosphate group by the ester bond to form ester bond in between that. So due to this glycosidic bond or ester bond, the nucleotide is formed or prepared. Then how the nucleotides are bind together and to form the polymer, to form the chain called as a polynucleotide. Okay, and these polynucleotides or this phosphate group are bind to the C3 of the sugar, and these are further binding each other and they to form a ring like a structure, and this ring like a structure we call as a nucleotides called as a DNA and RNA. So this is the nucleic acid. So these are all I have discussed whole topic of the nucleic acid in DNA and RNA, how it's prepared. So I am going to discuss second topic of the video is enzymes. Enzymes, we know that enzymes are the protein, but all enzymes are the protein, but all protein are not the enzymes. So this is the main difference between protein and enzymes. Enzymes are the biocatalyst, natural proteins. Okay, enzyme, the main function of the enzyme is increase the rate of the reaction, without involving the reaction. Okay, it will just increase the rate of reaction. Okay, how the enzymes work? Let's suppose this is the enzymes and this is the substrate, and this is the binding site of the enzyme. Okay, this is substrate, it bind together to form enzyme complex. Enzyme and substrate complex bind together, and the enzyme, after that enzyme, this substrate convert into the product. Enzyme that doing that, and this product then separated from the enzyme. So this is the main work of the enzyme. So that in this way the enzyme is work in our body. So main definition of the enzyme are the biocatalyst, okay, of the substrate that increase the velocity of the rate of the reaction, increase the rate of the reaction without itself undergoing the changes in overall process. So in enzyme, the enzyme will not change, but the substrate is converted into product. So this is the main work doing of the enzyme. So type of the enzyme, there are 6 type of the enzyme. First is oxidoreductase enzyme, then transferase enzyme, then hydrolysis enzyme, then lysis, then isomerase enzyme, then lysis of the enzyme. Okay, first one is oxidoreductase enzyme. That involves oxidation and reduction reaction. Okay, first Then second, transferase enzyme involves in transferase of the functional group. So it is used. Then hydrolysis of the enzyme, it involves hydrolysis of the various component. Then lyosis, lysis are specialized in the addition of or removal of the water, ammonia, carbon dioxide, etc. Then isomerase involves in all isomerization of the reaction. And lysis, lysosis means catalyze the synthetic reaction, means two molecules are joined together by using of the ATP, means adenosine triphosphate used. So these are the enzymes. So in today's video I have discussed nucleic acid and enzymes. So these are my view on this topic. You share your view on this topic. This is Omkar signing off for the day. Thank you.